Today, let's color our numbers with markers and then write and read them with crayons. Let's color and write the number 1 in red.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Counting numbers can't be beat. 1 to 10.
Red 1,
Again, start it up and count with friends.
1. Let's color and write the number 2 in green.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Done. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Counting numbers can't be beat. 1 to 10, let's go again. Start it up and count with friends.
Green 2,
1, 2, 3, 4,
2.
5.
Next, let's color and write the number 3 in purple.
A is for atlas, map in hand. B is for boat, let's sail to land. C is for cave, dark and deep. D is for dragon, no time to sleep. We are the ABC explorers, ready for the grand adventure. Hunting letters side by side, from A to Z, let's take the ride. E is for eagle, flying high. F is for forest, trees touch the sky.
Purple
G
3,
is for gold, what a surprise. H is for helmet, safety's wise. We are the ABC explorers, ready
3.
for the
Let's color and write the number 4 in blue.
Let's take the ride. I is for island in the sea. J is for jungle, wild and free. K is for key to open the way. L is for lion, guides the royal way. We are the ABC explorers, ready
Blue
for
4,
adventure. Hunting letters side by side, from A to Z, let's take the ride.
4. Finally, let's color and write the number 5 in orange.
Tonight with stars as guide. O is for octopus, waving hello. P is for pirate, ready to go. We are the ABC explorers, ready for the grand adventure. Hunting letters side by side, from A to Z, let's take the ride. Q is for quest, it never ends. R is for
Orange
rainbow,
5,
bending in bends. S is for starship to outer space. T is for telescope, let's find a place. We are
5. Wow, amazing job! Shall we read them backwards now? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's read them from the beginning again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job! A baby squirrel brought a basket to pick up acorns. Shall we pick up the acorns and put them in the basket? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count how many acorns are in the basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's place the numbers and count them one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's share and enjoy the yummy acorns with our rabbit friend. Mr. Bear and Little Squirrel went on a trip to the sea. They are saying hello to the fish. How many fish are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 little fish. While traveling underwater, Little Squirrel found some trash left in the sea. Let's clean up the trash in the ocean, Little Squirrel said to Mr. Bear. So Mr. Bear and Little Squirrel started picking up the trash in the sea. They are picking up the plastic left on the ocean floor. Mr. Bear also removed a net that was caught on a little crab. Let's count how many pieces of trash they picked up. Mr. Bear picked up 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pieces. Little Squirrel picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces. Everyone, let's not throw away trash so our beautiful ocean won't get hurt. Oh, we have a pizza order. First, let's spread the sauce with a red-colored pencil. Very good. Shall we look at the order sheet and make the pizza? We need 4 olives. Let's find the olives. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we need 5 mushrooms. Where are the mushrooms? That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finally, 3 pieces of pepperoni. 1, 2, 3. Yay! The pizza is all made. Shall we check if it's right? Olives. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mushrooms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pepperoni. 1, 2, 3. The bear family is enjoying their delicious pizza. Great job!